Hi guys, it's Aiden here, also known as Aiden of Maine. I'm going to be opening up a package called Lootcrate. It's a monthly subscription of cool gaming items, or just regular nerd stuff. I got a 1-year subscription from my mother on Christmas, so I'm going to be opening it up right now. And ooh, here's a packed in there tight. Ooh, here's a cool UNSC from Halo. It's some kind of like lunchbox. Oh, there's Halo 5 Guardians, cool. And there's this cool t-shirt it came with. Look at that. It's like Christmas space. There's a rover, snowman. That's cool. And then a little satellite. Cool. I might be giving that away, because I don't really need it. Yeah, it looks nice though. And then there's this. It's a Halo 5 magazine, a chat with executive producer Chris Lee. I'll be checking that out, reading it. Looks pretty cool. And then underneath this is a Halo 5 supply rec pack for Halo 5 Guardians, for the Xbox One though. I have a PS4. There's that code. Cool. Might be giving that away too. And then this thing. Check this thing out. It's some kind of lunchbox tin. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's gonna be kind of tricky. Don't mind the failing I'm going to be doing. Yeah, there we go. It opens right up, pops right out. Ooh, look at this. It's like a bobblehead. Han Solo Snow Gear bobblehead. Cool. Star Wars. It's the old Han Solo from the new movie. There's some other figures you can get. Cool. Okay. And then some BB-8 socks from Star Wars, the new movie. That's pretty cool. We got this pin. Look at this pin. It's a it says Lootcrate December 2015 Galaxy. Focusing on that. Wait, you'll be able to read it. Well, you can kind of read it. Not really though. It's got a satellite and 2 stars. Lootcrate. That's pretty cool. And this. What is this? Galaxy Quest Emblem Patch. Lootcrate exclusive. Let's see what this is. Ooh. It says document certifies the proper replica of the Galaxy Quest Emblem Patch was created by Quantum Mechanics Inc. under license from Paramount Pictures exclusively for Lootcrate. Signed by Andy Gore and Chris Davis. Some random guys that I don't know. Cool patch. Well, I'll review what I got. I got this cool tin. UNSC. It's the army in Halo. And then there's BB-8 socks. Cool Lootcrate pin. Han Solo bobblehead. emblem patch. Giveaway items are this code with a rec pack. It's like a surprise pack that comes with like Halo 5 gear in it. And there's this magazine. And then this awesome t-shirt. Oh, and then I've got these socks, which are really cool. BB-8. BB-8. Well, this is Aiden checking out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends. And check out Lootcrate, because they're really good. They got awesome cool stuff. And they're like surprisingly cheap. Like you get cool download codes and stuff. Yeah, well, I'll see you guys in another time. And I'm going to be streaming on Twitch today. Well, tonight. My Twitch name is Feeling Squatchy 8134. I'll be streaming Black Ops 3. Check me out on Twitch. And I'll see you guys in the next one.